Good morning, students. Today we will start English 1, Chapter 8, Verbs, the future tense. So, children, I explained in my earlier videos tenses are of three types: present tense, past tense, and future tense. We already dealt with present and past, and today we will start future tense. So, what is future tense, children? The future tense is used to describe events that have not yet taken place. This tense is used to describe actions that happen later or very soon. Now, children, future tense also categorized in four groups: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. And in this class, you will study about only simple future tense. So let's start. Just have a look what is simple future tense and where we will use it. We use the verb in the simple future tense to talk about action that will take place in the future. So children, simple future tense is the most commonly used future tense, and we use this tense to talk about action that will happen, that will take place in the future, and we use this tense to talk about facts or things that are planned or are sure to happen. We form the future tense by using shall or will with I and will with you, she, he, it, we, and they. Now, children, how can we create simple future tense, or which form of verbs we use in simple future tense? Just have a look. Verbs, the future tense. And here we will talk about simple future tense. So first of all, how can we write sentences? Subject. This is the very important part, children. Just have a look. Subject plus to be form of verb. To be form of verb means helping verb plus be one form of verb. Be one form of verb means, children, base form of the verbs. So we use subject plus to be form of verb to and be one form of verb to write sentences. Just have a look. I. In future tense, we use shall or will with I plus go. So, I shall go or I will go. Again, we use shall or will with we also. We shall go, we will go. So, children, we can also use will instead of shall, or we can say in modern English, will is the common to be form of verb to write sentences in simple future tense with I and we. Now rest. You, he, she, it, and they. with all these subjects, you, he, she, it, they. What we can use? We can use will to write sentences in simple future tense. Just have a look. You will play football. So, subject plus to be form of verb plus first form of verb plus object. So, in this way, we can create sentences in simple future tense. Suppose it will go. So, in future tense, which form of verb we can use? Subject plus to be form of verb plus base form of the verb. To be form of verb means shall or will. We can use shall with I and we only, and we also use will with I and we, and we can use will with you, he, she, it and they to write sentence. So now come to your book, just have a look. What will these people do next Sunday? Here you have to write the correct one. Just have a look. I go to the zoo. Shall plus be1 form of the verb plus object. I shall write. I shall go to circus. Come to the next question. Look at the following picture and guess what will they do. The man is carrying his luggage. He will go to the station. The man has fruits on his cart. He will sell his food. In this way you have to write. So complete question number 1 and 2 in your book only. Come to the next question. Question number 3. Answer the following question. Few questions are given here, children, and what you have to do? You have to give answer. Just have a look. What will you do this morning? So what will you do? I will learn my lesson. I will play football. I will go to the movie. Whatever is your answer, you can write. Only one thing you have to keep in your mind, that use will here and be1, that means base form of the verb, to write all these answers. So complete your question number 1, 2 and 3 in your book. Now rest of the things you can do by yourself. So children, verbs chapter 6, 7 and 8 is completed. In my next video I will start next topic. Thank you.